Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams. If you're looking to earn passive income in 2025, you've probably heard of DeFi or decentralized finance. But how do you actually build a reliable passive income stream in this fast-evolving space? In today's video, I'll walk you through how to build a passive income stream with DeFi by leveraging smart tools, strategies, and platforms. We'll explore how to earn from staking, yield farming, lending, and liquidity pools. Plus, I'll show you how to track your earnings with tools like CoinStats, manage your investments with TradingView, and stay tax compliant using Koinly and token tax. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to start earning passive income in DeFi for 2025. Look in the description below for links to helpful tools. Part 1. What is DeFi and how can it generate passive income? DeFi is revolutionizing the traditional financial system by removing middlemen like banks, brokers, and financial institutions. With DeFi, you can access services like lending, borrowing, and earning interest, all directly on the blockchain. Here's 4 ways how DeFi can generate passive income. 1. Lending. You lend your crypto to a decentralized platform and earn interest. 2. Staking. You lock your crypto in a blockchain network to help secure it and earn staking rewards. 3. Yield farming. You provide liquidity to DeFi platforms and earn rewards based on the assets you supply. 4. Liquidity pools. You contribute to pools on decentralized exchanges DEXs like Uniswap and earn trading fees and rewards. The best part about DeFi is that you can earn passive income while your crypto works for you 24/7. Part 2. How to start building passive income with DeFi. Method 1. Lending and borrowing. Lending crypto allows you to earn interest without selling your assets. Here's how you can get started. Use platforms like Aave or Compound, where you can deposit your crypto and earn interest over time. You can lend stablecoins like USDC or DAI for consistent, low-risk income or high-risk assets for higher rewards. Pro tip. Monitor your lending positions with CoinStats to track your interest earnings and make adjustments as needed. Method 2. Staking. Staking involves locking your assets in a proof-of-stake blockchain to help secure the network. Ethereum 2.0, Polkadot, Cardano, and other POS networks offer staking rewards. By staking, you contribute to the network security and earn staking rewards in return. Koinly is a great tool to track your staking rewards and ensure accurate tax reporting. Method 3. Yield farming. Yield farming allows you to earn rewards by providing liquidity to decentralized protocols. Platforms like Uniswap, SushiSwap, and PancakeSwap let you provide liquidity to pools and earn transaction fees. Diversify your assets to reduce risk, and use TradingView to analyze market conditions before making moves. CoinStats lets you track your farming rewards and pool performance across different platforms. Method 4. Liquidity pools. Providing liquidity to exchanges like Uniswap or Yearn Finance can earn you passive income from trading fees. By contributing equal amounts of tokens, for example, ETH, USDT, you enable trades to happen on these platforms. The platform rewards you with a portion of the transaction fees generated. Glassnode can help you track on-chain data, ensuring the liquidity pools you're contributing to are healthy and profitable. Part 3. Tools and platforms to maximize your passive income. Now that you know how to get started with DeFi, let's look at some of the best tools to maximize your passive income and track your progress. CoinStats. CoinStats is an essential tool for tracking your crypto portfolio, including staking rewards, yield farming profits, and lending earnings. Sync your wallets and DeFi platforms and track your rewards across multiple sources in real time. Set price alerts for specific tokens and monitor changes to your overall portfolio. Pro tip. Use CoinStats to aggregate your DeFi income and calculate your total passive income. TradingView. While TradingView is commonly used for technical analysis, it's also a fantastic tool for tracking the broader market. Use TradingView to spot trends and price movements, helping you make informed decisions on when to enter or exit staking, lending, or farming positions. Set alerts on specific tokens or assets to stay updated on potential opportunities. Koinly and token tax. Taxation is a critical part of earning passive income in DeFi. Both Koinly and token tax simplify the process of calculating your capital gains, staking rewards, and yield farming earnings. These tools automatically sync with your wallets and exchanges to provide accurate reports for tax filing. Keep track of the tax implications of your passive income to avoid any surprises at tax time. Yearn Finance. Yearn Finance is an aggregator for DeFi yield farming strategies. By automating yield farming strategies across different platforms, Yearn helps you earn the best possible returns without constantly monitoring your investments. You can use Yearn Finance to maximize your yield farming passive income while minimizing your risk. Part 4. Risks and how to mitigate them. While DeFi offers incredible passive income potential, it also comes with risks. Here are the 3 most common risks and how to manage them. 1. Smart contract risk. DeFi protocols run on smart contracts, which can be vulnerable to bugs or exploits. Tip: use well-established platforms with audited smart contracts. Platforms like Aave and Compound have extensive audits, reducing this risk. You can monitor the health of smart contracts through Glassnode, which provides data on on-chain activities. 2. Market volatility. The value of your assets can fluctuate, impacting the returns from staking, lending, or liquidity pools. Tip: diversify your DeFi investments to protect yourself against market downturns. Use TradingView to track the market's movements and make informed decisions. 3. Impermanent loss. If you're providing liquidity to a pool, impermanent loss happens when the price of one token changes significantly compared to the other. Tip: use stablecoin pairs in liquidity pools to reduce impermanent loss. Platforms like Yearn Finance specialize in stablecoin liquidity pools that minimize this risk. Part 5. Final tips for building a passive income stream in DeFi. 1. Start small and scale up. If you're new to DeFi, start by lending or staking a small portion of your crypto. As you gain experience, scale up your investments. Track your results with CoinStats to monitor your progress and make adjustments. 2. Automate your strategies. DeFi is fast-moving, and it can be time-consuming to manually track every opportunity. Use Yearn Finance or other aggregators to automate your yield farming strategies. 3. Stay informed and adapt. The DeFi space is always evolving. Stay updated with market trends and new opportunities by following trusted sources, using tools like TradingView and CoinStats for real-time analysis. Building a passive income stream in DeFi is more accessible than ever. By lending, staking, yield farming, and contributing to liquidity pools, you can generate passive income while your crypto works for you. To maximize your passive income potential, use tools like CoinStats for tracking, TradingView for analysis, and Koinly for tax optimization. As always, ensure you're diversifying your investments and managing risks effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out the description for links to all the tools mentioned in today's video to help you build your own passive income stream with DeFi in 2025. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more DeFi tips and crypto strategies.